mga outlines ninyo na level up programs. Okay? Leadership Development Program, Special Leadership Session with coaches and mentors. Sino yung mga may regular session with your uplines? Yung nagpapa-mentor, nagpapa-coach. Pag medyo nanihina, naniligaw, ay talaga Ate Tess, may ganun ka? Tama po yan, tama yan. Huwag tayong paggaling-galingan na kaya na natin lahat. Dapat talaga marami akong mentors actually. Marami akong hinihingian ng payo. Ayan, dahil hindi ko pa alam lahat. Okay? Okay lang po kayo dyan. Parang may sariling group. Ayan, okay? Initial requirement, syempre, you must want it. Kailangan gustuin mo. Commit sa money-making activity for a month. Ayan, at least, consistent mo gawin sa loob ng isang buwan. Team leader will candidate you to join leadership and the development program. Ayan, okay?